Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be creating this look what you see here, but there's a twist there. So I'll be using all the products to create this look. I'll be using all the products which different YouTubers, influencers, bloggers made me buy. I'll talk about different YouTubers who made me buy these products over the time actually. These are not new products. There are a couple of products which I'm using for the first time, but I watched some of their videos long time back or recently, and I felt like using those products. I was very excited to see those products, and I wanted to try those products. So uh, there are few products which I'm using from a long time. There are few products which I bought recently, used a couple of times. There are few products which I'm using for the first time, but overall all of these products different YouTubers made me buy. And also, this is not a new idea. Many YouTubers have done this kind of videos long back. I watched Shreya's video long back. I think it was couple of years back when I watched her video where she created a look using all the products which different YouTubers made her buy. So my video is kind of inspired by her, and there are other YouTubers as well who has made similar kind of videos on the channel. So I just wanted to put that out before starting the video. So if you're interested to know how I created this look, what all product I use, and which YouTubers made me buy these products, please keep on watching this video. By the way, I'll put the channel link of all the YouTubers I'm talking about in today's video in the description box. So please check the description box and check all of their channel, and do subscribe to their channel if you haven't done already, and show some support. That will mean a lot to me. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's start. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's start rolling. For my eyebrows today, I'll be using this product from Fade Beauty. It's the dual brow filler and volumizing mascara. So I came across this 2020 favorites video of Sara Sarosh, and she talked about this eyebrow product in her video, and she had to say some really nice things about this eyebrow product. So I was doing one video where I was trying the products from all the brands which are owned by women owned brands, and I was looking for a brand which has a brow product, and I thought of this product that time, that this brand Fade Beauty is a women owned brand, and they have this mascara, and Sarah also talked about this mascara. So I thought it would be a good product to try. By the way, if you haven't watched that video, I'll link that video here and in the description box. Now let's use this mascara. So it's like a 2-in-1 product. So you can use this eyebrow product to fill your eyebrows, and then you can use the mascara side to set your eyebrows so that your eyebrows will stay in place. Now I like my eyebrows to be little defined, and you can't achieve that defined look using this product. So I'll use some other eyebrow product just to line my eyebrows, and then I will use this eyebrow product to fill in my eyebrows. So to line my eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Lakme. It's KKK Lakme Absolute Eyebrow Pencil Brow Definer. Now I'll use this to fill my eyebrows. So this product is actually a very good everyday kind of product where you can use this to just fill in your eyebrows. Like if you don't want to do full eyebrow routine, you can just use this product and just fill in your eyebrows, and you're good to go. Now I'll clean my eyebrows and come back. The eyebrows are all done. Now let's do the face makeup first. And I have already prepped my face, so I'll directly start with foundation, and for that I'll use this foundation from Colorbar. It's a 24-hour weightless liquid foundation. So Colorbar launched this foundation a long time back, and I was I wanted to try this foundation, but it was little expensive, so I just dropped the idea. I didn't buy the foundation. And then I saw Simi Guraya using this foundation in multiple videos of her. Like she featured this video in her 2020 favorites as well. So मुझे फिर से होने लगा कि I should try this foundation, but that time also I didn't buy it. And then there was a summer sale from Nykaa. That time I saw there was a very good discount on this foundation, so I finally decided to buy this foundation. So basically I think this foundation again, like I started getting excited about this foundation again because I saw Simi using this foundation like in her multiple videos. She is actually loving this foundation because it is a good foundation actually, and it gives a very nice natural finish, and it's like a everyday kind of foundation. It's not very heavy as well. So let's use this foundation. I'll take the foundation on back of my hand. Concealer, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I have this one in the shade 312. By the way, I forgot to tell you the shade of the foundation. So the foundation shade which I used is FC 4.1. About this concealer, now I had this concealer from really long time, but the shade which I had was very light, so I gave it away. I gave it to one of my friend, and then I thought I'll buy this again. I had this one in my cart, but ये mostly ना out of stock ही रहता है, तो I thought कि चलो leave it, let's not buy it. But and then I saw Anam was using this concealer in multiple of her videos, and she included this concealer in one of her affordable makeup products video as well. By the way, I'll link all these videos in the description box. Whatever videos I'm talking about, I'm mentioning, I'll link everything in the description box. So I saw her using this concealer and she really likes this concealer. So मैंने decide किया कि इस बार जब stock में आएगा तो I'll definitely purchase this. And again during this Nykaa sale, it came in stock and this shade was available, and there was a very good discount as well. So I bought this concealer during this sale. By the way, I have shared a Nykaa haul as well some time back on my channel, where I have shown you all these products which I bought that time. So I'll link that video as well for you if you are interested. Like generally hauls काफ़ी exciting होते हैं, and people generally enjoy hauls, so I'll provide the link of that video as well. Now let's use this concealer. It's a really good concealer. It comes with this very large doe foot applicator. It's a full coverage concealer. You need very little amount of this concealer, and it's not very heavy. Like it's a full coverage concealer, it's not very heavy. So it's a really beautiful concealer. You can see the difference clearly, right? It gives a really nice coverage. It's a very beautiful concealer actually. Next, to set my concealer, I am using this powder from K Beauty. It's their loose powder. I have this powder in the shade Almond. So when K Beauty launched this powder, I was actually not planning on buying this powder, but then I saw Shreya using this powder and she had some really nice things to say about the powder. So then I finally bought this, and good that I bought it because it's a really good powder. It's a very finely milled powder and it sets the makeup really well. It doesn't have a lot of coverage like Maybelline Fit Me powder. Maybelline Fit Me powder में ना काफ़ी अच्छी coverage है, but it doesn't have that good coverage, but still it's a good powder, and I really like the packaging of this powder. It's very easy to use this powder. इतना ज़्यादा messy नहीं होता है. बाकी जो loose powders रहते हैं ना, generally जो loose powder होते हैं काफ़ी मेसी हो जाते हैं. लाइक Maybelline Fit Me लाइक पाउडर आपको ऐसे उल्टा करके उसमें से पाउडर निकालना पड़ता है. इट्स ऑल लाइक मेसी, बट इट हैज़ दिस mesh kind of thing here which makes it very easy to use this powder. So yeah, I really like this powder actually. So just make sure there are no creases. My lids are creasing, like concealer on my lids, but I'll make sure that my underlines are not creasing. I don't set the whole face, I only set the places where I have applied concealer. Now for bronzer, I am using this bronzer from Too Faced. It's their Chocolate Soleil bronzer. The packaging of this bronzer is so pretty, and it smells so nice, like it smells like chocolates. I started craving chocolates. You can see it looks so pretty. I have actually not used this powder. I bought this sometime back from US. India में काफी expensive है. So I bought this from US in some deal. I got a good deal on this bronzer. Now I bought this bronzer because of Anandita. So I have seen her using this bronzer a lot and praising this a lot. So जब से उन्होंने दिखाया था उनके वीडियो में, तब से I wanted to buy this bronzer because it looks so pretty, and she really loved this bronzer. She used to have this bronzer and she used to love this, so I thought I'll also try this bronzer. I generally don't get excited about any new bronzers, but when I saw this, when I saw her using this, I got really excited और मैं काफ़ी टाइम से इसको परचेज करना चाहती थी, and I was looking for some nice discounts on this on Nykaa, but there was no discount coming, so I finally bought it from US. Now let's use this. Bronzer blends really well. It's very easy to work with. There is a little bit of kickback, but still it's easy to work with. But I'm not very sure about the shade. Maybe I'll use it some more time, like उसके बाद I can give you a better review about this. But अभी के लिए तो I'm like 50-50 for this bronzer. Now let's do the eyes and then we'll come back to face. Now for my eye look today, I'll be using these palettes from Juvia's Place. I bought these palettes some time back. मतलब काफ़ी टाइम हो गया, 3-4 महीने हो गए मुझे परचेज किए हुए, but I didn't get the chance to try these palettes. Now I bought this palette on the recommendation of Resham. She is my blogger friend. She is an Instagrammer. She posts reviews and swatches and makeup looks on Instagram. So she recommended these palettes and I bought this on her recommendation only. I have these two palettes. So first one is this Magic Mini by Juvia's and the other one is the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's. So I have not used this palette till now and I was not sure what look I should create. So I'll use both of these palettes for today's look. Let's see what we come up with. I don't want to create any colorful look. I want to create some neutral, maybe some smoky look. I don't know, but not something colorful. So first I'm using this shade Nana from this Magic Mini palette. Use this shade as a transition shade. By the way, the brush which I used was Cuffs and Lashes X Shy Style CS04 brush. I've shared a detailed review on these brushes recently on my channel. I linked that video for you. It's a very good video, very informative video. Go check it out if you haven't already. Next I'm taking this shade, the shade Burkina from this Masquerade palette. And the brush I'm using is again from Shy Styles Cuffs and Lashes brush CS06. It's a really good brush to apply color in the crease. So I'm taking the shade on the tip of the brush and then I'll apply this only on the outer part of the crease. Going back to this brush again and I'll just blend this color with the transition shade. And I'll apply this in the inner part of the crease as well. Like I'm not taking any shade, just whatever is left on the brush I'm applying in the inner part of the crease and blending the crease shade with the transition shade. Again going back to the crease shade and increasing the intensity of this shade again. I am taking this shade again, Burkina, on this PAC 165 brush, and I'll apply this on the outer piece. Next I'm taking this shade. I'll apply this shade all over my crease. Wow, it's very pigmented. Very beautiful bronzy shade. I'm using this brush again, and I'll just blend this lid color with the crease shade. Next I'm taking this shade Zulu from the Masquerade palette, and I'm using this brush from Cups and Lashes CS07. I'll apply this shade on the outer piece. It's a very nice warm brown shade. Again I'm using this PAC 165 brush, and now I'm taking this shade, the shade Fulani, this one from Masquerade palette again. I think I'm using this palette more. Apply this also in the outer piece and little bit in the crease, just to increase the intensity of the eyelid color a little bit. For my lower lash line, I'm using this shade Zulu on this brush. This is from Jeffree Star, Morphe X Jeffree Star brush JS13. I'm applying this very close to my lower lash line and only on the outer part of the lower lash line. Now on the same brush, I am taking the shade which I used as a transition shade from this palette, Nana. And then I'll apply this on the inner part of the lower lash line. So I'm taking this lid shade and then applying it on the lower lash line, just on the middle part. Now for liner, I have this Maybelline Colloidal liner. I have used this liner in the past, मतलब बहुत time पहले launch हुआ था ये liner. It's like a very old product and I have used it in the past. But recently I was seeing a lot of videos and lot of posts on Instagram about this liner. I think Maybelline was doing a relaunch for that, so there were a lot of videos and posts about this liner, and everyone actually made me buy this liner and try this again. So I blame each and every blogger and YouTuber who did a video on this liner. Because of them only I felt like using this liner again. I used it like long time back and I don't remember whether I used to like this liner or not. So let's try it again today. It was very easy to create this liner, and this is really pigmented, like highly pigmented. Now let's try to do the same thing on this eye, and I know it will be difficult, but okay. So we successfully created kind of identical wings. I am so proud of myself. So for kajal, I actually don't have any such product which any YouTuber made me buy, so I'll just use some kajal. So for today's look, I'll be using this one from PAC. I'll apply this on my waterline. Okay, so the eye makeup is done. Now let's go back to the face makeup. Now for blush, today I'll be using this blush from Colourpop. It's their Cheek Illusion blush, and this one is in the shade Coral Craving. I really love this blush formula, and I have like 4 shades from this blush range. I really love these blushes from Colourpop, and Malvika Sidlani made me buy this blush. The first one which I bought was this Sweet Scarlet, this shade. She used to use this shade a lot in her makeup videos, and she loves these blushes. So I tried this shade, and then I fell in love with this blush formula. So I got more shades of this blush. So now for today's look we'll be using this shade. So this is a very nice coral blush. I'm using this blush brush from Real Technique for that. It's not a matte blush, it has like tiny shimmer particles to it. So if you don't like shimmery blushes, you might not like it. But I love such kind of brushes. I like all brushes matte, shimmery. It just shouldn't have glitter particles to it, like visible glitter particles. Otherwise, I love all kind of brushes. I have this very bad painful pimple right here, and I was actually not planning on filming today, but I was having a very bad day and I thought let's film, let's put on some makeup, and it might make me feel good. So yeah, that's why I'm here. Such a pretty blush, right? I told you, it's a really good blush. Now for highlighter, I'll be using this Colourpop Super Shock highlighters. It's always difficult for me to say that. Colourpop Super Shock highlighter, and this one is in the shade Wisp. This one I bought because of Kathleen Lights. If you don't know Kathleen Lights, what are you doing, guys? She is such a beautiful soul. I love her videos. I'll link the channel anyway in the description box for you. She's so nice. So she loves these Super Shock highlighters from Colourpop. Her favorite is, I think, Flexitarian. I have one more shade here, Flexitarian. And this shade also I saw in one of her videos only, Wisp. I think these two were in her favorites from Colourpop. She does these kind of videos every year because she uses a lot of Colourpop products obviously, and she does this favorites from Colourpop every year, and I think these two were in one of her videos. So let's use the shade Wisp for today's look. It's a really nice formula, the Super Shock formula of Colourpop, both for eyeshadows and highlighter. It's really beautiful. It's very creamy, buttery, very nice. I'll use the same highlighter to highlight my brow bones and inner corners, and for that I'm using this brush from PAC 082. Next I'll set my makeup using this MAC Fix Plus, and this one is in the variant Magic Radiance. So Shivangi from Daydream Project made me buy this makeup fixer. I already have MAC Fix Plus, the normal one. And then I saw her using this variant, the Magic Radiance one, in one of her videos. And I was very intrigued by that because it gives a very nice illuminating finish to your look. So that's why I bought it. Now let's set the makeup using this. So I'll just shake it a bit, and then I know I apply a lot of makeup fixer. Now for mascara, I'll be using this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Now this one of my favorite YouTuber, Tati made me buy. I know she is not no more active on YouTube, and I don't know when she'll come back, but she used to rave about this mascara, and I wanted to buy this from long time. It was not available anywhere, and then I saw it was available on Flipkart. So जैसे मैंने देखा, I purchased it. This is a really good mascara. I've used it couple of times and I love this mascara. It's definitely a very good mascara and a very affordable one as well. So I'll be using this one today. It gives a very nice length and volume to the lashes. It looks so beautiful. Next for my lipstick today, I am using this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the shade Nude Dream. So when this lipstick launched, Shalini did a really great review about this lipstick. She really liked it and I was very excited to try this lipstick after watching her video. So I bought few of the shades of this lipstick. I have also shared a review about this lipstick anyway on my channel. So let's use this one today. My camera actually stopped recording when I was applying that lipstick. So anyway, this is the final look. That lipstick was looking little too pinky for this look, so I topped it off with this lipstick. This is Maybelline Sensational Liquid Lipstick in the shade Made Easy. And this is the final look. I think the look has turned out really well. All the products which I used today work really well. कुछ ऐसे products, like couple of products I tried for the first time and it performed really well, and I'm really happy with the final look. And that's all for today's video. I hope you also liked this video and this look. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.